Capturing your world in stunning 4K shouldn't mean compromising on portability. Welcome back to Top Home Finds. We have meticulously researched and analyzed the latest technology to bring you the definitive list of the top 5 vlogging cameras specifically designed for travel and high-resolution video production. Before we reveal our top picks, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Okay, without further ado, let's jump straight into the first option. First up is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Here are some advantages of DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Large 1-inch CMOS sensor for superior image quality. The Osmo Pocket 3 features a significant hardware upgrade with its 1-inch CMOS sensor. Advanced 3-axis mechanical stabilization. Unlike many compact cameras that rely on electronic stabilization which crops the image, the Pocket 3 utilizes a dedicated 3-axis mechanical gimbal. Intuitive 2-inch rotatable OLED touchscreen. A standout feature of the design is the integrated 2-inch OLED touchscreen that rotates physically to switch between horizontal and vertical orientations. Intelligent Active Track 6.0 and rapid charging. The device incorporates Active Track 6.0, offering sophisticated following modes such as face auto detect and dynamic framing to keep the subject perfectly centered automatically. Check the description for more details on this product. Next up is the Sony ZV-E10 II. Here are some advantages of Sony ZV-E10 II. Advanced 26.1 megapixel APS-C sensor. The ZV-E10 II is equipped with a high-resolution, back-illuminated Exmor RCMOS sensor and the latest Beyond's XR processing engine. Professional-grade video specifications. This camera supports internal 10-bit 4:2:2 recording and can capture 4K video at up to 60 frames per second, which is oversampled from 5.6K for superior detail. Dedicated AI processing unit for superior tracking. Featuring a specialized AI processing unit, the ZV-E10 II offers industry-leading real-time eye autofocus and tracking for humans, animals, and birds. Improved ergonomics and extended battery life. A critical upgrade in this second-generation model is the transition to the high-capacity NPF-Z100 battery. Check the description for more details on this product. Next up is the Fujifilm X-S20. Here are some advantages of Fujifilm X-S20. Advanced 6.2K open-gate video and professional codecs. The X-S20 offers exceptional video versatility by supporting 6.2K open-gate recording at 30p in 4:2:2 10-bit color. Industry-leading battery life for compact mirrorless. A major hardware upgrade in this model is the transition to the high-capacity NP-W235 battery. This allows the X-S20 to achieve an impressive CIPA-rated battery life of approximately 750 to 800 shots per charge, nearly double that of its predecessor. Enhanced AI-driven subject detection autofocus. Powered by the latest X Processor 5, the X-S20 incorporates sophisticated deep learning AI technology for subject tracking. Superior 7.0 stop in-body image stabilization, IBIS. Despite its lightweight and compact chassis, the X-S20 features a highly effective 5-axis in-body image stabilization system. Check the description for more details on this product. Next up is the DJI Osmo Action 6. Here are some advantages of DJI Osmo Action 6. Industry-first variable aperture for action cameras. The Osmo Action 6 breaks from traditional fixed-focus designs by introducing a variable aperture ranging from f2.0 to f4.0. Large 1/1.1-inch square CMOS sensor. Equipped with an innovative square sensor format, this camera captures significantly more vertical and horizontal data simultaneously. Extended 4-hour battery life and cold resistance. Designed for extreme endurance, the Osmo Action 6 features an upgraded battery system that provides up to 240 minutes of continuous operation on a single charge. Integrated 50GB internal storage and Osmo audio to provide maximum field reliability. Check the description for more details on this product. And fifth, we have the Canon PowerShot V10. Here are some advantages of Canon PowerShot V10. Integrated all-in-one ergonomic design. The PowerShot V10 features a unique vertical body designed specifically for one-handed operation. Large 1-inch CMOS sensor for 4K production. Despite its pocket-sized dimensions, the camera is equipped with a high-sensitivity 1-inch CMOS sensor. High-fidelity integrated audio system. Engineered to eliminate the need for external peripherals, the V10 houses two large-diameter omnidirectional stereo microphones. Simplified content workflow and live streaming. The camera is optimized for the modern creator's workflow. Check the description for more details on this product. Selecting the perfect camera is the first step toward elevating your storytelling. Thank you so much for watching this guide here on Top Home Finds. Until next time, keep capturing the world.